In this video, I'll teach you how to make $220 in minutes. All you have to do is visit this brand new website and employ the new Google method that I will show you in this video. You can make hundreds of dollars every single day by following and incorporating the steps. This opportunity is available to you anywhere in the world. They pay you using various payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, ATM, Skrill, and bank transfers. Remember to stay tuned and watch to the end of this video, because I'll show you how to get free bonus money when you sign up, and this will be a brand new website that no one has ever covered before. In case you carried out this method properly, you could make 3 times more money in comparison to other people. Before we go further to this video, welcome to Socio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. The first thing you need to do is go to this website called shrinkme.io. This is a URL shortener that will pay you up to $220 for 10,000 views. This website is legitimate to check. Open this payment proof tab on the website's upper left side, and you'll see all the real-time payments they pay their users, and you can see that they don't miss any payments. People are paid using various payment options. You can also check how much they have paid their consumers in real time. There are only 3 simple steps you need to take on this website to begin earning money. The first step is to create an account and sign up for it. The next step is for you to start shortening your links and sharing them with others, which I will teach you how to do later in the video. The last and final step is for you to earn your money, but you must pay close attention to this video, because this will only work if you do it correctly. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, simply go over the top right corner and you'll see the register button. Simply click on this link and then register for a new membership. Now, when you sign up for a free account, you'll get $1 for free as a sign-up bonus, and once you've made $5, you can start cashing out your money. I'll show you how to generate money by applying my Google trick. There are daily payouts, which is why I prefer this service to others. And their minimum payment is only $5. It's really simple. Once you've made $5, you can start cashing out money into whatever payment method you choose. Now, the method we will use on this website is to go to YouTube and find a video of a very specific niche. Copy the URL of that YouTube video and then return to this page and enter the link into this bar. We are going to shorten this URL, and once you've done, you'll be able to share it on various platforms, and you'll be able to earn money every time someone clicks on it. Now, let me show you the various payment rates that you will receive. If people from Greenland click on your link, for every 1,000 views, you'll receive $22. You'll earn $10 if you get people from the United States to click on your link. Now, you will see individuals from all over the world click on your link, and you'll be able to earn various amounts of money. This is why you should combine the Google trick, because the largest money you can earn per 1,000 views is $22. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best video on YouTube, because if you find a horrible video, you're not going to make much money. I'll show you how to select the greatest video, then we'll go to this website to shorten the URL. And after we have a shortened link, we'll go to Google and apply a specific trick to multiply our money and make a lot of it with this strategy. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Let's get back to the video now. We've got to YouTube. The best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about weight loss, because so many people want to learn how to lose weight in this world. So, when you go to YouTube, type in weight loss videos, click on filter and choose this week. Now, we'll find the best performing videos for this week. The next thing you should do is click on this video, and then this is the video link. You'll click on it and then copy it. Now, we'll go shrinkme.io and paste the link, then after pasting the link, they'll give you a shorter URL, and then copy this link too. Now, go over to Google and look for forums, specifically weight loss forums. What you'll do is search for a weight loss forum using the keyword weight loss. When we use the strategy, we'll find a lot of different forums where we can share the link, because people who want to lose weight usually hang out and join different forums to join different discussions and find different tips to lose weight. So, what you'll do is join one of these forums, such as this one. This is just one of many examples I'd like to present to you. You can find hundreds of different forums by simply searching them on Google. But make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because I'll show you the #1 strategy of getting people from Greenland to click on your links. But why Greenland? Because you can make more money? As you can see, if you get people from Sweden, you just make $5, but if you get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times more money. Let's return to the forum. Usually, you can just sign up and register. For example, in this forum, click on the register button and then fill out your information, but what I recommend is that you use a fake name and username and then sign up for an account. However, there is one major issue with this method. You can get people from all over the world to click on your link, but how can we focus and find more people from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States so that we can make more money? This is the secret tactic that I want to show you. When you do a Google search, just go to this setting and find the advanced search, which you'll click on. And then you'll see this region options. Specifically, by choosing Greenland, your search results show forums from Greenland only. Just repeat the same method, and that's how you can get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. However, the forums available in Greenland are limited. So, the second thing you can do is do it in Ireland or the United States. You can go back to Google and go to the settings and then to region and search for the country you want. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. You can find various weight loss videos on YouTube. And again, this is 100% legal and ethical to use. And you will not be punished or penalized because you are no reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. But this is just one method. You can share this link in a variety of ways. For example, you can share it on YouTube in YouTube comments, or on Facebook or any of your other social media platforms. Now, the more people that click on your link, the more money you'll earn. And that's it. If you love similar content, take a look at my other videos. And please, smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.